Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yassine, and today I have for you guys my travel tech kit volume 2. So if you follow my channel, you know that a couple of months ago I did a travel tech kit volume 1 and showed a bunch of stuff that I use whenever I'm traveling out and about in the tech that I take with me. So I decided to do an updated video, and this is a very special video because it's my first official sponsor video, and the video is sponsored by Bagsmart. So Bagsmart makes a bunch of bags, from little accessory bags for you to carry your tech all the way to backpacks, and it's a really awesome company and I really like them, and I've been using their products for a really long time. If you remember the Travel Tech Kit Volume 1, I actually used a Bagsmart bag in that video, which was like 3 months ago. And my backpack that I've been using for all my tech products whenever I travel, and all my video gear whenever I travel, is actually from Bagsmart, which is this one right here. And they've been making awesome bags for a really long time, and I've really always liked their products. I've had this bag for almost a year now. So it makes it that much sweeter that my first sponsor video is actually by a company that I like their products. That's just the cherry on the top of everything that's happening. As you can tell, I'm really excited. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description where you can go to their website and buy any of their products, and also where I got the specific bags on Amazon and on Bagsmart.com. So definitely check them out there if you want to get some awesome looking bags that are also very functional. So the bag that I'm using for my travel tech kit this time around is this one. It's black and it's got red accents on it. It says Bagsmart on the front, and it's got little icons here that show that it's for tech products. So whenever you're traveling out on the airport, then TSA can easily identify that there's tech products in here. Makes it easier for you, makes it easier on them. That's what I like about this little bag. And this one's a little bit bigger than the one I had in my previous video, and it looks a little lopsided because honestly I stuffed the hell out of this bag, but that's what I like about the bag. It's got a type of rigidity to it. At the same time, it's not too rigid, and it conforms to whatever you got to put in there. There is a nice handle right here that you can grab and just pull it out of your other bag or pull it out of your luggage whenever you're traveling. So that's pretty awesome. But let's go inside and see what I have in this bag. Okay, so there's different levels to this and different layers, but if we start out right here on the left hand side, you'll see there's slots for a bunch of different cables, and I actually have a bunch of different cables in there that can charge everything from Android, from Type-C to iPhones, and basically any kind of cable that you like. And the cables that I went with are from Anker, and I love these Anker cables because they are very sturdy and they don't break that easily. They also support fast charging, so they are actual like legit cables, and they're not just some fake ones out there. And then also they come in a bunch of different colors, so I can color coordinate it. We have white here for iPhone, we got the blue for micro USB, gray for USB to USB-C, red for regular USB-A to USB-C, and then another micro USB cable just for backup. And I also have these wired headphones that honestly I don't even remember where I got them from. Oh, they say Samsung on them, so those are the ones that came with the Samsung Galaxy S7 or something like that, but they're just there in case I leave my Bluetooth headphones behind and I just really need to listen to something on my laptop. Moving on this side we have a bunch of slots that you can put in memory cards. They say SIM, TF cards, SD cards, and those three are the three different types of cards that can go in there, but I just mainly use SD cards since that's all I use on my videos. You also have these little compartments here that you can slide some stuff around, but I haven't filled that part out yet. And then if you flip the bag over, I'm still using the same battery bank that I've had from the last travel tech video, and that's because this battery bank, honestly, it's really good for its size. It's compact enough that you can throw it in a bag or throw it in your pocket. It does quick charge 3.0. You got 2 ports so you can charge 2 phones. The only thing that I don't like about it is the fact that I have to use a micro USB cable to charge it, but it's part of my travel tech kit, and I do have a micro USB cable, so I don't really mind that. I will definitely though look into a USB-C battery bank. And then there's another slot right here in the bag that has a zipper, and this is mainly designed for you to put in dongles and little adapters like that. That is what goes inside these pockets and keeps things away from getting loose, tiny little stuff. And then in the back, this is charging, continuing with more charging, because I think that's really what this bag is all about. So I have a wall brick, and this wall brick is USB-C. It's USB-C PD, pumps out 30 watts of power, so it can essentially charge anything that is high speed or quick charge USB-C, like my Pixel phone, and also it can charge the MacBook Retina 12-inch, and it'll eventually also charge the MacBook Pro, but it'll just do it really slow and you can't use it while it's charging. So I just keep that with me for all the USB-C cables. And then for all the other ones that are USB-A cables, I keep this little guy here, and I still actually have it in its plastic wrapping because I haven't needed to use it. And it's from a company called Crove or K-Rove, I don't know, but it's quick charge. It's very small, it's lightweight, and you just plug in your USB-A into that, and then you can go ahead and charge all your other products. And then one thing I found really handy when I'm traveling is this Belkin wall adapter splitter. So this right here gives you 3 different outlets and 2 USB outlets at the top. And the reason why this is important, and it's probably the first thing that goes in my bag, is because whenever you're traveling, you get to a hotel room or an Airbnb, then most of the walls have only one outlet next to your bed, and we bring a bunch of tech. At least I bring a bunch of tech. So I take this, plug it in, and now I have the additional wall outlet that's shown over there, and then 3 here, so that gives me 4. I can put USB port cables in here and charge it. And the cool thing about this is that it rotates so that you can go ahead and move it to the left. There's a little button at the bottom, you press it, you rotate it, so now you can plug it in sideways rather than vertical, and it won't take up the other slot. So that's also goes with me everywhere that I go. And the last item that I have in the bag is a cleaning bag. That's crazy, a bag inside a bag. Inception right there. It's a microfiber cloth, and it's in this little awesome bag, and they come in a bunch of different colors. I just like the red one because it's easy for me to spot it and I won't lose it. So you take this with you and you wipe your products from your TVs, tablets, laptops, cell phones, MacBooks, and then you just stuff it back in there, and then when you're done, throw it in the bag and you're good to go. So that's what's in my travel tech bag, volume 2, early 2018. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I also want to thank Bagsmart for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are in the market for a tech bag or even a backpack, then definitely check out these guys. I'll have their link down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.